Hey, what's up, guys? It's Octane. I just came to film a drone video. I think I'm going to start probably a drone series. I'll maybe get a couple more drones. So today I'm just doing a review on my DJI clone, and we'll see how it goes. So as you can see, it's a beautiful day outside. Plenty of people here, so we're staying 6 feet apart. So this is my Drone X Pro Extreme. So let's open it up. Here we go. We have the drone. You see it's got a little camera. It's got a little camera. You can move that around. So you can down, up, and to fold it out, you just bring it like that. And then same thing with the bottom ones. You have to bring the top out first. So as you can see, here we've got the battery. This is super easy to charge. It comes with a cable and everything. So you just plug it in. So here's the unfolded drone. We just put the battery right in the back of it. Turn it on. It starts flashing blue. It's hard to see, but it's flashing blue. And then what you gotta do, turn the controller on. These are fake antennas up here. That's not real. But so you go up and then down, and then you go both down to the right. Like that, and that's how you calibrate it. Okay, so take off. It's very windy. It's not a very heavy drone. As you know, it's a clone. It's fighting hard against the wind. Doing quite well, I'd say. Alright, let's look at this special feature after the wind dies down. So I just landed the drone so I can show you guys how to take it off from your hand. You just hold it steady, hands below the blade. Simple like that. And the nice feature about this drone is that it can do flips. So this drone has 3 different levels for flying. In strong winds, I would definitely recommend the expert mode. Like this, it's very gusty out here. So we've got a lot of wind and it handles quite well in expert mode. The flight time is not as long when you have it on. It's decent. And it's such a light drone that it's doing so much. Flight time is quite long. I'm guessing 15 minutes. It comes with 3 batteries. You flip right here. Oh yeah, right into the wind. Super windy out here, but this thing flies well. I'll try my best. There we go, flight into expert mode. You can go anywhere you want with this. Super simple and easy to use. And it has a headless mode and a home mode, but so the headless mode makes it so that there's no specific point where the drone is, so you can always just bring it back to you. It's kind of tough to use though sometimes. Sometimes it accidentally crash it. I'm not the greatest drone pilot ever, but I can handle one. Flying back with the wind. Oh, there we go. Super cool drone to fly. Only cost me $100, which is decent for this quality. I'm thinking of getting a Tello drone, which sounds pretty cool. It's about $99. It's powered by DJI. I don't know if you guys can hear me with all this wind. So I'm in expert mode right now. Fast. It goes as fast as it can. Look, straight at us. Super, super cool to fly. And then to land it, you want to steadily bring it back. Put it into normal. There we go. So I put it into low flying mode. can't handle the wind like that. So basically, there's a down arrow on this. You just gotta push it. And it'll back forth. Pretty cool. So the controller is actually very nice. So it's fake antennas, but a motion drone X-Clone Pro. Pretty cool because you got the trim, those two arrows, that arrow and that arrow. You got your up and rotate, and you got your side to side and stuff on. That's takeoff and landing. And then right here, you can pull that out to put your phone. Thanks for watching today's video. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching.